Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you where you can find the Game Turbo app on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, it's the same also for the other Redmi phones, and if you don't find the Game Turbo icon on your phone, you need to go to security and here swipe, and usually you will find it here. But if you don't see the Game Turbo icon, tap here, and here there is. Tap on the plus sign and now tap here check, and as you can see now Game Turbo appears here. Now just tap on it to enter in the app, wait for a few seconds, and now tap here on settings and swipe down, and we have here home screen shortcut. Tap here to enable this feature, and now if you exit and go on the home screen, you will find here the Game Turbo icon. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.